big these leaves are. I'm gonna try to get to that rock right there. My destination. Should I start on this branch right here? Yeah, I got to go over here first though. Yeah, now I got to sit on this branch. New goal to get over here. Gonna hang on this random branch. Run! Oh! Made it! Where do we go now? New destination. Destination arrived, and this place is creepy, so we're gonna go to down here now. Up, 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 up. Pineapple pen. What is that? Weird. Now we go to our new destination. Okay, we're at our destination. So we're going. Alright, we're gonna go back over here because she's being a crybaby. Yacht. Come to Wishbone. It's a boomerang. Yacht's a free shoe. Make a paw. Oh. Smash. Smash. Headache. I love having no parents here. Oh, I can do it like that. Okay, so now we're going over here where they're at, cause yeah. Whee! Destination arrived. So beautiful. Hurry!
I already seen her.
Making a video. How pretty that is.
Post it.
I'm posting it. I'm trying to. That's so pretty though. He just flew right next to us.
I know.
Okay, he's gone now.
I don't know if
She wants to say something to you guys.
well, I missed to say an X, and my account got deleted like what happened to my other account. So I'm funny. Come on,
And I'm Bones.
I heard birds. I heard like the door opening. Yeah.
Should we go in the moss right there?
I'll go girl thing.
Oh, that channel is the one that stole lots of people's videos. I shouldn't be in here. Yummy.
Hurry.
Nope.